Get the job done easier and faster with a Stellar TMAX Mechanic Truck. You'll have all the strength you need to handle the toughest jobs. And with a focus on lighter weight design, including aluminum bodies, you'll have increased payload to outfit your truck with a variety of options such as toolbox systems, lube skids, air compressors, and more. The patented drill-free accessory mounting rail on aluminum models makes it easy to quickly add or move mounted equipment. A wide range of cranes is compatible with each TMAX model. Several include the CDT Pro control system with rangefinder technology. Plus, Stellar's unique torque isolator crane support increases durability by transferring lifting stress away from the side packs to the stabilizers. Every TMAX Mechanic Truck is built for years of heavy-duty work. Stellar's commitment to quality can be seen in the engineering that makes the most of the space in every weld and fastener and in every detail. From rugged stainless steel hinges to complete undercoating for extra corrosion protection, TMAX Mechanic Trucks are designed and built to work as hard as you do. Get more productive, better organized, and ready for every challenge with Stellar TMAX Mechanic Trucks.